Oxygen supplies, cylinder that we are using also. And the last is the pyrotechnics. What is this pyrotechnics? We are using it in Philippines, no? We are using it every New Year. The fireworks, that is the pyrotechnics. Okay, next. The number 2 is to identify the people at risk. Who are people at the camp? We are the people who are at risk because we are the one who is staying at the camp. Okay? We need to identify who are those people who will be endangered in case of fire. The employees inside the working premises, inside the building, the vulnerable people or the disabled people. Then the next ones are the contractors. If you are dealing with the work, the contractors are working inside the plant. Then the next, the young people and the other people in the immediate activity. And even the firefighters, they are at risk. If there's a big fire happen, if they will go inside the premises, they will be also at risk. Okay, those are people who will be endangered in case of fire. And the third one is to evaluate, remove, reduce, and protect from risk those people or those property. To evaluate the risk of fire occurring accidentally, by act of omission, and the third one is deliberately.